Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to do a review on Yarnspiration's new Caron cake, latte cakes. Now I'm probably a little bit behind. It has been out for just a little bit, but I actually just got it for the first time yesterday. Now from what I can see on their website and at Michael's and stuff, that it appears to be available at the moment in 11 different colors, all of which are multicolored cakes. They have no solids available at the moment. But if you choose to look them up, they're all very, very pretty colors. All of them are. They didn't have any that I did not like. But I am a brown person, so I chose the brown when I bought mine. Okay, it says there, you can see that it is fuzzy. There's no wool, which is nice. I like wool, but I know a lot of people are allergic to wool. And wool can be itchy too. So that's a good thing I got. It's super, super soft. I mean, very, very soft. And you see the fuzzies in it. Now, you think with those fuzzies that it's going to be hard to crochet with. Well, we'll go ahead and try that out in a minute. Let's look over the specs on it real quick. It is classified as a bulky 5. And that is the category that I would put it under. I think it's a perfect bulky 5. The recommended hook size is a 6.5 millimeter. And that is probably what I would use. If I usually, when I make up designs, I don't usually even look at the recommended hook size. But that's probably what I would use if I was making this. It is machine washable and dryable. 58% acrylic and 42% nylon. And there are 530 yards per cake, and that is a very generous amount of yarn. This color is called coconut cream, but like I said, it appears to be that they have 11 right now available. I'm sure they'll get more. You can look them all up online and see all the pretty colors that they have. Okay, let's talk about price. Now, the Caron Latte cakes, not on sale, run $9.99 per cake. I think that is a fair price myself. It's considering the softness of the yarn, the amount of yarn, I think just the overall quality, I would consider that a fair price. Would I myself pay that? I probably would wait for it to go on sale or until I had like a Joann's or Michael's coupon for 40 or 50% off. That's what I got this for. I use 40% off coupons. But if I wanted it bad enough for a project and I didn't have coupons and it wasn't on sale, I would still buy it for the $9.99. I'm just a little cheap sometimes and I always try to look for sales. But I think that it's a fair price for this yarn. Now, let's try to crochet with it. I actually already did crochet with it earlier on another skein. But it does pull really nice and easy from the center, which you want to always try to center pull if you can. It doesn't really knot up or anything. You see it coming out real nice. So the recommended hook size was a 6.5 millimeter, which I happen to have right over here. I'm going to put my camera down just a bit though. Okay, now you see those fuzzies in it. It has a very silky feel to it. It feels really nice. So you just crochet with it. It does not split on me at all. Now, sometimes when you use like that fun fur yarn, it's very hard to work with. This is not. It glides right through, right over the hook. It's very nice to work with. And there's no splitting for me at all. I mean, that's me though. But I worked with it earlier and it did not split once. And it's not splitting on me right now. And sometimes with this furry stuff, it's hard to see where your stitches need to go. This, I don't have a problem with this. It's not heavily furred out that you can't tell where your next stitches need to go. You see it's gliding right through my hook, right over my hook. It has not split on me one time, either right now or earlier when I was using it. It's just a consistent glide over my hook. So it crochets really well. How does it frog? You think that furry stuff's gonna knot up? I would say that it would probably knot up, but let's check it out. It doesn't. Look at that. Not one knot. It came out perfect. I did a big swatch earlier. It did not knot at all, which I am extremely amazed because a Lion brand has a yarn just like this, soft spoken, almost identical to this. It's more money than this with less yardage. And it frogged so terrible. You could not make a mistake. If you did, you were in trouble because you could not get it out. This yarn I am very impressed with. I think, so let me set this over here. I think Caron Yarnspirations did a very, very good job with this yarn. I do think it'll be around for a while. So for the $9.99, like we talked about, price tag, I think overall, considering it's super soft, it's super silky, it doesn't split on me, it glides so easy over your hook, it frogs extremely well if you make a mistake. You can use this for pretty much anything. Sweaters, shawls, ponchos, baby blankets, baby items. It's just the softness of it will make it usable for probably almost anything that you can imagine. And taking in effect the yardage amount, I think that it's worth, I think it's a fair price of them to ask $9.99 for it. So if you get this yarn, I do not think that you will be disappointed. Now, I don't want to steer anyone wrong. I try not to ever steer anybody the wrong way. That's my honest opinion. I think that if you buy this, whether you buy it full price or whether you use your Joann's or Michael's coupons and you buy it 40% off, or if you find it on sale, either way, full price or on sale, you're going to be very, very happy with it. And I do not think that you will regret buying it. So that's my opinion. Now, I am not affiliated with Yarnspirations at all. They don't pay me any money. They don't give me any yarn. They don't even know that I'm doing this review. This is my own honest opinion. I think that if you have the means, you should give this a try, because I think you'll be extremely, extremely happy with it. Pleasantly surprised at the fact that this fur is so easy to work with and it does not knot up, and it is so, so soft. I am definitely going to buy more when it goes on sale. I'll probably try to get all the colors. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. They really did an excellent, excellent job with this one. And like I said, I think that they will it's going to be around for a while, and I think eventually, this is a guess, I think eventually they might start making, maybe they'll make solids. That would be awesome if they did. If they made solid colors. They may not, because their cakes aren't, none of their cakes are really solid. But if they did, that'd be cool. But if not, all their colors were gorgeous. Like I said, they were all beautiful. It was hard for me to choose just one, but I always go for the neutral browns. That's just my taste. So that's my review. If you can, go out and get you a cake and give it a try. I really don't think you'll regret it. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.